Ciao, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear suspension on your Piaggio Vespa PX. The suspension is kept by two bolts, one below and another one above. Above the Vespa, to get access to this bolt, you have to remove the fuel tank. The fuel tank is connected also to the seat, so you have to remove the seat with these three bolts, and then with other two bolts you may remove the fuel tank. The fuel tank has also a fuel level indicator in the newer Vespa, maybe the older not. You have to disconnect it. And after you have to disconnect the fuel line from the carburetor, and if your Vespa is equipped with a separate oil mixer, you have to disconnect also the oil line. The fuel tank has 4 bolts, plus one that keep the seat connected to the fuel tank. This is a 13 mm wrench. I remind you that Vespa require metric tools. Via la sella. This is the fuel level indicator. You have just to disconnect it. The fuel tank is still connected to the Vespa through the fuel shut-off valve, so you have to remove the fuel lead, the hose from the tank to the carburetor, and if your Vespa is equipped with a separate oil mixer, you will have also the oil line from the oil tank to the mixer, which is close to the carburetor. It's not necessary, but you may remove the fuel lead of the oil tank. Sometimes you can finish the job without removing the tank. Turn it a little bit sideways and you should have some room to unbolt the suspension. This is the view of the upper suspension bolt. As you can see, it's not very easy to access. Lo sapevo. These ratchet wrenches are very useful. Of course, remember you need a metric set. Sorry, I know what you're thinking. There is not enough room for the standard socket wrench. And now we may go to the lower part of the suspension. You will need two 17 mm wrench. One hold the nut and the other unscrew the bolt. Okay. From the old suspension, you may take the pad. I suggest you, when you replace the suspension, to take also a new suspension pad. Okay. The new suspension is longer, so I don't need the extension from the old suspension. But if your new suspension is the same as the old suspension, you may need to remove the extension from the old suspension to the new suspension. Same stuff for the suspension pad. As I told you, I suggest you always to take a new suspension pad. Doesn't cost much, at least in Italy. The suspension pad is not symmetrical. It should, what can I say, face in the front of the Vespa. Anyway, tighten well and align as you found the old suspension pad. Quick tip: with a lamp, take a look on how it should be connected the suspension. This is the easiest way to center the suspension pad in the correct position. Once the suspension above is connected, it will not slip. So now it's time to block the suspension below with this bolt. Voila! With the suspension pinned on both sides, you may start to screw the above bolt. I forgot to show you that in the above part of the suspension there is a washer below the nut. E questo è fatto. Quindi andiamo e mettiamo da. This video ends here. If you liked it, I hope so, please leave thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, enjoy your ride in your Vespa. Ciao!